Hello, this is Muhammad Shoaib Mughal from Shoaib Realtor's platform. I hope you are all in good health by the grace of Allah. Today, I will tell you about TopCity-1. TopCity-1 is located above the Srinagar Highway and has direct access from Kashmir Highway. It is hardly a 5-minute drive from Islamabad International Airport, making it the closest location. M1 motorway passes adjacent to TopCity-1. And M2 motorway is also nearby. If you exit from its main entrance, you can reach the motorway in just about a 2-minute drive, and it's a 25-minute drive from 0 point. From 26 No motorway stop is just a 10-minute distance. This covers the location details of TopCity-1. In Top City, there are plots available in sizes of 5 marlas, 10 marlas, 1 canal, and 4 canal farmhouses. TopCity-1 has 4 blocks fully development, including A block, B block, C block, and D block. More than 600 houses have been constructed in these blocks. The main boulevard of TopCity-1 is 150 feet wide, and all the streets here start from a minimum of 40 feet wide, ranging up to 45, 50, and 60 feet. Regarding facilities, electricity, water, and internet are available. Gas pipelines have also been laid in the 4 developed blocks, and gas will be delivered to the homes soon. Additionally, a large commercial hub is being built here, which will include 5-star hotels, shops, offices, flats, and fully residential apartments. Moreover, facilities like cash and carry, banks, schools, mosques, and hospitals, as well as all other essential amenities for daily life, are available here. If you want to buy or sell your property like house plots, apartments, shops, and commercial plots, don't forget to call me. I am one of the best realtor in Rawalpindi, Islamabad. My office is in TopCity-1 Block D. My contact number is 033153935553.